Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we're supposed to convert hexadecimal numbers to binaries. Again, we're supposed to convert every single digit to 4 binaries. So I have 1. Binary 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0. Binary 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. A is 10. That's why I'm going to have 1, 0, 1, 0. And C is 12. That's why I'm going to have 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. So this is the binary representation of this hexadecimal number. Next one, we have FB04. F is 15. So that's why I'm going to write just 1, 1, 1, 1. B is 11. That's why I'm going to write 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, we have 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary representation of this hexadecimal number. Let's take a look at this one. Draw the arrow over here. D is 13. That's why I'm going to have 1, 1, 0, 1. E is 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. And 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the binary representation of this hexadecimal number. So these are the solutions to my problems.